Zhejiang Kuangdi Industry and Trade Company Limited was established in 2010 as a comprehensive manufacturing and trading company. We have been in double-wall stainless steel vacuum flask and high borosilicate glass bottle for 13 years and specialize in production of sports bottle, coffee mug and travel pot. Our company covers an area of 40,000 square meters and has 1,400 employees, with an annual production capacity of 70 million of stainless steel vacuum flask and glass bottle. We are famous for superior quality, competitive prices, first-class craftworks, safe package, and prompt delivery. Therefore, we can fully satisfy your demands and have a large customer base. In order to supply the best products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, ISO 9001, which is in strict accordance with international standards. We have got BSCI audit. Our products sell well in USA, Germany, Japan, India, and Nigeria. Except our own products, we provide OEM services and accept customized order as well. We have developed designs for our customers, and our products are popular in overseas markets. We will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.